Hello everyone, I'm Nitisha from the 9 Pointer and today we are going to make this YouTube logo in AutoCAD. So let's get into it. We will start by drawing these circles of diameter 26.8 units and then we will draw this equilateral triangle of edge 35.6 units and then we are going to make these arcs of diameter 380 and diameter or radius 150. Okay, so let's take our pan command. Let's move our main drawing to one side, press escape, and we will start drawing. So for the circles, let's go to our circle drop down and select our center and diameter circle. Now I am snapping the same reference point here. You can start from anywhere you want. So we'll click, we will drag and enter the diameter of 26.8 units. Now press enter. Now we'll just copy this circle. Our center to center horizontal distance is 86.5 and vertical is 51.2. So let's just select the circle, go to this copy command. From the center point, we will go towards right of 86.5 units. Press enter. Now to down, we will just enter the distance of 51.2 units and press enter. Again, for this circle, let's select, choose this copy command. From the center, we will go down for 51.2 units. Press enter. Okay. Now let's just make this triangle here. Now this triangle vertex is at a distance of 31.3 units from the center of the circle. So let's first make a line here. From the center, we will make a line of 31.3 towards right. And now we will make here our triangle. So our edge is 35.6. So enter 35.6. Press enter. Now here again, enter 35.6. Now press tab. Here our outer angle will be 30 degree as our internal angles in equilateral triangle is 60. So press enter. Now let's just close our triangle. Press escape. Now let's just delete this line. We don't need it. Let's just select all the three sides here. Go to this modify drop down and join it. So that here we are having one complete triangle. Okay. Now we have to just place our triangle at the midpoint. So for that, let's go and take our line command. Let's join our centers also. Let's join our these centers also. And let's join our midpoint to midpoint of both the lines. Okay. So let's select our triangle. Let's go to our move command. From the center of this line, we will go down and click at the intersection points. If you are not getting any point here, go to this point, this drop down of snap cursor to 2D references and check out this intersection, midpoints, endpoints, and geometric centers. These are very useful commands. Okay, so let's proceed. Now we have to make our arcs here. So let's first make this arc of radius 150. So for making the arcs, we are going to use tan radius circles. Okay, so let's go to the circle drop down and select this tan radius command. Now for here, let's choose any point on the circle, click anywhere. Again, click anywhere on this circle and enter the radius of 150 units and press enter. So we are having this circle here, big circle. So let's just trim our command. So let's go and trim this outer portion. Okay. So here we are having this arc. So let's select our arc. Let's just mirror it on the opposite side also. So let's go and take our mirror command. And from the center of this line, we will just mirror to the opposite side. Okay. Now for these parts, Our radius is of 380 units. So if we are going to make this circle, we will get a big circle here. So before that, let's just select our whole drawing. Let's move it downwards. Okay. So here our this is 380. So let's go and take again tan circle command, tan radius command, sorry. So select anywhere on this circle. Now select anywhere on this circle and enter the radius of 380 and press enter. So here we got our circle. Let's go and trim the outer portion here. Okay. Now just select, go to this mirror command and select our center line and no. So let's delete these extra lines. Select and delete. Again select this line and delete. Select this line and delete. Let's trim our inner portions of these circles. So let's go to this trim command and trim these portions. Okay, so we are almost done here. For hatching, let's first just select all the lines and just join them. So select all the lines here. Go to this modify drop down and select this join command here. Now for hatching, let's go to this hatch command. Select this solid hatch and let's select this white color first and click in the inner portion and close creation. Again, let's go to this hatch command. Again, we will change the solid color. Here we are going to select this red color and click on this portion and close hatch creation. Okay, so we are done with our final drawing here. So if any point you're having any difficulty, feel free to drop down a message or you can mail us on our mail ID. Also, if you want to access this DWG file, I will put its link in the description below of our GitHub account. You can download it from there. So thank you everyone for watching our video. Please do like, share and subscribe and stay tuned.